Hi, I'm Reny, an occupational therapist and a mom to a 4-year-old. During this pandemic, schooling was a major concern for each and every one of us, and online classes was very much hard for the kids and the parents. And that is when we came across Flintoclass at Home, and we were very much intrigued about these Flinto classes, and we got a kit for ourselves. And when we received this Flintoclass at Home, we were really happy. This contained materials that were planned and packed for each day. And here is a sample of how it is. So here is the packet for day 6. We need not go in search of the activities that we need. Like they provide each and everything for us. And we are really happy with the classes. The classes start with a story time, with circle time, rhyme session, and a concept for the day. And the child is involved in each and every session. As a parent, we are really happy that we are able to track our child's progression with the parent dashboard. My son is very happy at doing activities with Flintoclass, and I would recommend parents to give it a try.
This video is brought to you by the Flintoclass preschool program. Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to not miss out on exciting activity ideas, useful parenting tips, and much more.